My dear beloved president of this meeting and my dear beloved old teacher and my dear beloved younger and older brothers. First of all, I send my greetings from the bottom of my heart. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today is our weekly meeting. In this meeting, the moderator, Sadar Sir, has appointed my name for the English speech. So, I have learned some things about the Holy Perfect Hazrat Umar Farooq radiallahu anhu from English. So, I will present my speech in front of